Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today because we are going to the beach. Yes, my husband and I were talking about it last night and we decided that we want to take the kids out to the beach and just spend a whole day out there and then come back tonight. I just spread the news to the kids this morning right before breakfast. They ran upstairs to pack their bags and they're packing like if we're staying out there for days. So they are super happy. I mean, we haven't been out of the house since COVID started. So this is our first time away and we are happy. We are excited. I can't wait to take you guys with us and show you guys the beach. The beach is about an hour away, so we just finished having breakfast. I'm finishing up my coffee here, and I shouldn't even be sitting here because I should be packing and getting everything ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack everything, get everything ready, and I'll take you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy. So when we go to the beach, we normally have hot dogs, grilled hot dogs. I grill them at home and then wrap them in foil, and then we have hot dogs for lunch, but I don't have any buns. So I'm just gonna prepare some, I'm not even gonna prepare the sandwiches because then the bun is gonna get all soggy, or the bread, not the bun. So I'm just gonna take everything I need for sandwiches and do that instead. We have a lot of fruit. I'm gonna cut up some watermelon, chips, and drinks because it is a hot day today. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I got my bag ready. I'm using this huge bag for all of the snacks, the napkins, the bread, anything that does not need to be in the cooler. So all of the other stuff, like the beverages, the mayo, the ham, all of that, or turkey breast, will be in the cooler, and my husband has that ready in the garage. And so let's get going. Parking space that's like really close to the seawall, so we didn't have to really walk a lot, which was a good thing because it was kind of busy as we drove into the beachside area. Traffic started piling up, but it's not too bad here. As you can see, not too many people. We are keeping our distance. So now we're just going to stay here and have a really good time and just watch the sunset. having such a great time. We've been here for like the past 5-6 hours. We got here at 1:30 and it's around 6 o'clock, and we already had some snacks. I brought a lot of fruits, chips, and sandwiches. We usually bring hot dogs, but I didn't have any buns, so we did sandwiches, and that's what we ate. And we're probably gonna wait another hour or so. Kids are still playing. I brought a volleyball. We did frisbee, and we've been swimming, so we are kind of tired, but we're still gonna stay a little longer. The drive back home is about an hour away, so we're gonna grab dinner before we leave back home, and we'll see. We don't know, maybe Mexican food or pizza. We usually go to a pizza place that's just right across the street from here, and then we grab some ice cream on the way out. But we'll see, because we just had pizza like 2-3 days ago, so I don't think the kids want pizza. But we're gonna still hang out, and we'll see what we have for dinner. Can you throw it off this? Can you throw it? You can? Throw it, okay. Wow! What the? Here, let me try. Like this. Like this, like this, like this. Oh, that was a good one. Yeah. Oh, where'd it go? Oh my God. Alright, so we already rinsed off, we changed, and we're gonna go ahead and grab dinner. We usually go get some ice cream at Ben & Jerry's, and then we go to this pizza place that's really, really good. They have really good pizza and wings. But there's a Mexican restaurant that we are gonna go try out, so we'll see how that goes. So let's go have some dinner.
Bye.
So we just made it into Ben & Jerry's. There is quite a line, but we're gonna wait, and then we're gonna go grab dinner, maybe grab some pizza. We're probably gonna have to eat in the car because every single restaurant out here is super busy. So we're just gonna grab some ice cream and then head out and see what else we can eat. I love this place, I love their ice cream. So the restaurant that we were gonna eat at, Mexican food, is closed. So we're gonna go find something else. Okay, so we went to another Mexican restaurant, but the line looks extremely long and there's tons of people waiting out here. So we're just gonna skip Mexican food for today. We're gonna go find something else. Alright, so we had stopped by Buc-ee's to use the restroom and just kind of get ready for dinner. So we're gonna head back in our car, go to Panda Express since we didn't find any restaurant that was not busy over by the beach. So that's what we're doing. Alright guys, it is about 10:30 o'clock at night and we just arrived at home. We're gonna go ahead and unload all this mess and then we're gonna jump in the shower and then go to bed and get some rest. I hope you guys enjoyed this day at the beach with us. It was such a beautiful day and it was so much fun. I'll be looking forward to taking you guys with more trips like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching and y'all have a good night. Bye.
Bye. Bye.